This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Cardtonic app. First, download the Cardtonic app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you're a returning user. You'll need to verify your account, typically through an email or phone number, to ensure security. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface and its various features. Selling your unused gift cards on Cardtonic is straightforward. Navigate to the Sell Gift Cards section within the app. Here, you'll select the brand and denomination of your gift card. Make sure to upload clear, legible images of both the gift card itself and its original receipt for verification. After confirming your trade details, the platform processes your request, and you can expect payment to be credited to your wallet, often within 5 to 10 minutes. Cardtonic isn't just for selling, you can also purchase gift cards. Head over to the Buy Gift Cards section to explore a wide selection. You can filter by brand, country, or category to find exactly what you need. Once you've chosen your desired gift cards, add them to your cart and proceed to a secure checkout. The app supports multiple payment methods, ensuring a smooth and safe transaction every time you shop. Cardtonic prioritizes your security and offers robust support. Enable two-factor authentication in your settings for an extra layer of protection on your account. If you ever encounter an issue or have a question, the in-app chat provides immediate access to customer support, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can also review your complete transaction history at any time and stay informed about new features through app notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.